Guys and make two guys. Welcome back to another art tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to make a realistic minifig. Okay. So first we want to do a big face. And once you've done that correctly, ta-da! Wait, let me try to get this back. Oh, first let me do some ASMR. Where is this speak? And now, boom, pa-pa, boom, pa-pa, ra-pa-pa-pa, ra-pa-pa, go boom, pa-pa-pa, boom, pa-pa, go big, go home, go big, go home, or you die low, or I die low. Now you have a minifig, a realistic one. So, well, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next episode. Wait, what? Wait, why do I have bad quality? Why is it? Why do I have bad quality? Anyways, now you have a minifig, and okay, now I have good quality anyway. Now you have a minifig. Anyways, that's all. So bye guys. Bye guys.